is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, so we are here on George Washington Memorial Parkway doing some FSD in a construction zone with a lot of barriers around me. Both sides of traffic are kind of on this side of the road. Looks like they're working on the other side. And I want to show you how FSD is handling this right now. I actually haven't been on this road for a couple months and haven't realized how much construction they've been doing here. And they pretty much got it down to one lane, which I'm sure causes a lot of traffic. It's not too bad at this moment right now, and I want to show you how FSD is handling this severe construction divided highway over here. And check out the fall foliage in this drive. It's going to be some of the most amazing. We are having a very cloudy day here in the DMV, but all in all, you can see the colors are really bright from the trees. We only got a couple more weeks left, and it's going to start falling off completely heading into wintertime. Alright, so I want to show you all how it just took the exit and it's going to actually merge me right onto 495, which is our capital Beltway. And notice how FSD is still in control. It's doing its thing. And I want to see if I can basically get to the bridge. And let's take a little gander at this traffic here. Ooh, interesting situation here. Wow, looks like someone spun out. Oh man, that's a tough one there. Looks like also we got a decent amount of traffic right now. Let's see if we can get over using FSD. One good thing about the turn signal is it will not go unless there is a clear amount of way. And I really like the way it handles some of those turns sometimes. So to show you again here, I'm going to plug on the indicator, and it's already trying to find paths on when it's able to go. And you can just leave your indicator running until it has, a clear path. It won't go. And if it hesitates and sees that the driver behind me is like not trying to let me in, it won't. And that could save your neck from a lot of trouble, because first you can always, glance over at your side view, and you also got the camera that pops up over here, and then you've got like all the cameras that are looking out for you through the Tesla. Alright, so here we are, we're on the American Legion Bridge, so officially entering in the state of Maryland. And really fantastic job with FSD. Notice how it switched lanes right there in the middle of the bridge. It detected that this was moving a bit faster, and it decided to go ahead and take it. And yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. And if you take a look at the way it picks up the traffic, it does a really good job about analyzing everything in front of me and pretty much providing like a live feed of, the cars around me and how fast they're going in relation to me, and the proper scale on how far they are compared to me. And it's already making decisions based on what's around me. It's a pretty advanced software, and I like the way that it really follows the sets of rules of driving very well. Doesn't go into any gray area. It's very black and white. Tesla does a good job about fine-tuning that. Alright, here we go. We're switching up one more lane. Notice how clear path it goes, and it does a really good job. And all in all, I feel pretty good about this drive. It handled this entire video. No takeovers at all, and now you can see it's picking up a little speed here. This is what you do when you want to speed up. You just hit them with the scroll one time. The right scroll wheel and the left scroll wheel is the volume. And yeah, I feel pretty confident. FSD is doing really good on highway. It's doing really good on back roads. In the rain, it's doing good at dark. It's doing good during the day. So yeah, all in all, definitely 2 thumbs up on this drive. Would you use it in a highway situation? Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below. And this is typically the time where I will try to take over and drive because we got, not too much traffic ahead. But for the sake of this video, I always like to let FSD go and show you all of its capabilities. Like, here we go with the lane switch again. And always like to try to show you as far as what FSD is capable of and how it handles it in a real life scenario. No, my videos are not like edited or anything. I'm not like cherry picking drives, and I just pretty much keep my camera posted for whenever I get the chance to record. I don't record all the time. A lot of time I'm focused on other things, whether it's to where I'm heading or work related or going to see someone, family. It's like I'm not recording all my drives, but when it comes to FSD, I do use it more than I don't. Statistics on my Tesla app shows that I use it about 60% of my drives. And whenever I find something interesting where I'm not going to be disturbed with music or phone calls, then I try to record and bring to you live how FSD is handling itself today. This is November of 2023. We're headed into the holiday season, and FSD is getting ready to get an upgrade soon to version 12, which should come out around the new year, maybe Christmas time. And that should be offering some pretty interesting changes that I don't want to comment too much on until it arrives, but for sure, stay tuned. As soon as that becomes available, I do have one of the early rosters of FSD. I've been in the beta since it was beta. Back in 10.2 was when I got my car. Back when I actually got enrolled based on safety score, and I had to kind of wait out and actually get pushed to update. It was quite a time back when Twitter was called Twitter before it changed over to X, and FSD wasn't even something you could buy. Yeah, and it was really cool to get into the beta program early. So this is really interesting. I got a Tesla car behind me, and this is the first time I'm actually noticing this, that it's got the headlights out. I've never seen a Tesla car with headlights missing, and I'm not sure if you could tell in the video or not, but it's this car here. It's a white Model 3, and the right headlight is out, and I'm really surprised to see that. Looks like they just got their indicator on, so they will be passing me here. I don't know if you can notice it in the video or not, but wow, I wonder how much that's going to cost to replace. Anyways, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This was definitely a fun one to shoot. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more FSD beta videos. Thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.